Hello friends, subscribe my channel. You can't describe an item of clothing that someone gave you. What the clothing was, who gave it to you, when do you get it, and explain why this person gave you the clothing. Let's start. I think everyone in the world loves to receive gifts. Exchanging the gifts is an important part of celebration, but did you know that the whole act of giving a gift can bring physiologically benefit? Get is a universal way to show the interest, gratitude, and bond with others. Today, I could like to talk about the clothes I received from my cousin. Most of my relatives and friends know that I love the traditional South Indian dress. Last December, one of my cousins working for the government went to the Tamil Nadu. She know my choice. She bought me a traditional dress. I got it at the New Year party. It was a three-piece clothing which included a long lower garment resembling a long shirt which was a golden and red colored choli blouse and a long dupatta. It is usually worn by the village girls in the Tamil Nadu. As I said, the most of my friends and relatives know that I love the South Indian dresses. She bought them for me. I was very happy to receive it. Thanks her for giving me such a wonderful gift. Thanks friend for watching my video.